Hi everyone, this is Alex and welcome in this second video of the first exercise on how to become a creative sketcher, improve your design and sell your ideas. In the last video we prepared the following pens and markers: black pen for construction, C2, C4 and black marker for shadows and shading, one bright highlighter to bring life to your sketch, black and white pencil, and white pen to create highlights and part lines. And we've seen a common mistake, which is to draw an idea which is undefined and jump into your next idea without resolving it. Today we'll see how we can turn this rough idea into resolved design and a convincing sketch. And to do this I have attached this file to the email, which you can download, or you can just grab a A4 paper if you are already confident with your sketching. And let's go. So the first step is to draw 4 views instead of only one. What I try to do usually is that I sketch many ideas very quickly, and when I find one that is a bit stronger, then I develop it to refine all the different details. So why do you need to draw 4 views instead of only one? Because you could actually just live a happy life with only one. Because if you draw 4 views, then you are forced to think of the whole product and you will be forced to think of all the details. So for example, if you only do one view, maybe you forget that there's a part line on the back of the product that you can make interesting. Maybe you forget that if you take the product and look at the bottom, you will realize that maybe that all the bottom part can have amazing details. So all these details, you can work on them and make it very, very interesting only if you start sketching multiple views of this same product. And because you start drawing all these different views, then first your sketch becomes more interesting. And then your design becomes much better. Your idea is not just an idea now, it's a resolved design. This will make a huge difference. People will start looking at your sketches and consider them because they will see that there's a lot of interesting things in this idea. So that's all. Step 2, we'll start to add details. So in order to train your mind to naturally create more details, I made this list of elements that you will need to place on my underlay. So just pick 1, 2, 3 among this list and try to place them on this basic product that I draw. So this complements the first step, which is to draw 4 views, okay? So you draw 4 views, now you add details. So let me give you a few examples here of details that I've been adding. This exercise will help you to gain flexibility in your next project. So you will start to think faster on adding details. Alright, step 3 is a very simple one, it's the logo. Most products have a logo, and on many of them, such as Lapka or VNO the logo is used to enhance the quality of the product. So why not adding this detail when you know that if you place it well, that can really improve your design. So now, if you want to do this exercise, you take my underlay, you take this basic product that I draw, and you practice by placing the logo in different positions. And you will see that the design can take a very different character depending on where you place the logo. In parallel to this, it will also bring a graphic touch to your sketch and can help you feel some sort of bowing surfaces. Alright, okay, so what did you think about that? Did you find it difficult, easy, useful? If you find it difficult, then it's a very good sign, because that means that there's a lot of things that you were not doing, and then now you train to implement all these things. And if you find it easy, then don't worry too much, because there will be a lot more to come in the next online courses that I'm working on. So stay tuned, as I will send you the third video in the next days. And in this third video, we'll see how to use markers and colors to create sketches which are dynamic and look very creative and make people want to look at your sketches. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and I see you in the third video. Cheers, bye!